Viewers and subscribers, welcome to the boss. I'm going to play a video right here. I'm going to say, oh, enough of them big man think about is school pitting them and where them a fantasize. You understand, guys? Remember to put a like and comment. If you don't like the video for the person, like it for me. Watch the video. Yeah.
I don't understand why them always a come and still look a picnic and I sit down in the car and back them fist like them love man. Told me I got fling in them car. Anybody father this, please come get your father. Your father is a bird.
Where am I doing?
Video.
Sir, what are you doing right here?
I'm really going to see you, so. Me see you, so I do it already. Me I tell lie? You sure? You need to leave, sir. It is very inappropriate. Every day I'm coming inside back feast. Look on the man, people. To play there.
Dirty man and a lie woman them a tell upon you. Go away. Guys, if you look below, you see the boy doing rag. See the boy there with one rag below. Right, that's in a video. But a lie them a tell upon him. I three people them attack. If you go away, I'm sure all a pass and see him say. Some stone reaching in car. Some stone reaching in car, boy. Go away. I want to make your country can better. What kind of kicks you get out of that boy? Go away. Right, that's all. And that's why so much are we pitting them. That's why ladies you have to be careful of some of them man you wanna bring home. Wanna bring home to the family because some of them thing of them fetish is about. You understand? Them thing of them fantasize about. Sometimes they come in your house, come in your yard and then you. Then want them a look on a little pitting them. You understand? I hope somebody recognize him and report it. You see me? Yeah man, report it because too much of them people yeah. Can you imagine a big man like that ugly enough for God so? Look, them a watch him then see him a do it all the while. And sometimes them pitney a peep pan him in a car and he didn't even know. So they have proof. Jesus God, just imagine. Yo, me never want to talk about it. The video itself speak for itself. You understand? And this lead me to this story here, guys. This lead me to this story here. Remember if you drop a like on the video. If you don't like the boy in the video, just like it for the boss. Please. Man get 11 here, guys. Slap on the wrist for raping and sodomizer. 8-year-old guys. For show you them money stay. I send catching man who plead guilty to raping and sodomizer now. 8-year-old. You hear that, guys? 8-year-old. His girlfriend, Gran Pitney. Jesus God. This way me I tell him, just talk about it. Someone want to understand me. I say, come on, time I talk when someone talk rubbish. Not my subscribers, them too. See? He get 11 years behind bars. Given 3 sentencing on Friday. You want to read too much of this. It ended down send catching court way. The court. The man who was all before the court in 2021 was sentenced 11 years and 4 months at hard labor. Yeah, that not sound bad. He could get 130 and 4 months for can't say that on YouTube, we filter that. Under the sentencing guideline for use by Supreme Court Judge and Parish, blah blah blah. I don't want to read too much of this. Article I got did it. But just for show you guys, can you imagine a 8-year-old in girlfriend, Gran. In girlfriend, Gran. John was there. You know what? Come on for this year, man. Because I want to talk about them something here. I want my head chip. Guys, like the video, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. And me soon in the next video. I'm out.